What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jam. If you're new here, I do food and travel vlogs. But since it's lockdown, hindi tayo makalabas, hindi tayo makagawa ng mga food reviews and travel. As you can see, ngayon nasa bahay ako and we are calling this series Co-Vids. And it's our 4th episode. I think it's our 4th episode. But anyways, yeah, it's our 4th episode. What we're gonna do today is I am gonna tell you why you are not achieving the perfect Dalgona coffee. Because I've been attempting it so many times. Kaya 3 times na talagang nagkaroon ako ng mistake na it never happened. So I did something else. And finally, I figured out why. And I did that twice already. Upon checking on the technique, tama siya talaga. So, ito na talaga ang video na to. If you wanna know or wanna find out what are the common mistakes, why you're not getting the right Dalgona coffee, just keep on watching. So, ayun nga mga besh. Unang mistake kung ba't di ko na-achieve ang tamang Dalgona coffee is the bowl. Ang dati ginagamit kong bowl ay yung maliit na bowl, yung babasagin, yung Chinaware. What I use now is a bigger one and a stainless one. Di mo pa nabibig? Pag magawa sila ng whipped cream, malaking stainless bowl ginagamit. So, ito ang ginamit ko, tinry ko. Second mistake, ang ginamit ko dating coffee ay yung coffee ko Blauta, 3-in-1. Apparently, may nakamix na dong cream kaya hindi mo ako yung tamang consistency. That's why starting today, I used the classic one. So I have to use the classic one. I'm using the Nescafe Classic. So it's 1:1:1. But based on my tansya, it's 3:3:3. So 3 spoons or tablespoons of this, 3 tablespoons of this one, sugar, I'm using sugar, and 3 tablespoons of hot water. So isa neto is 1 tablespoon na tansya ko na siya. So ilalagay muna natin siya guys sa ating hiwagang bowl. Yes! Ilalagay muna natin lahat ng dry ingredients. Okay. So grabe ang fattening na to, I swear. Nakaka-guilty. Nagda-diet ako pero nagdadalgona. At ang tapang niya guys, pinaglalaban niya ako. Like one time, I made the first Dalgona coffee na tama. Diyos ko hapon ko tinik. Hindi ako makatulog after. Kaloka. So, nandito na po ating coffee. Now, it's time to add the sugar. 3 tablespoons also. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Add na natin ng hot water. So, ito na yung hot water. 1, 2, 3. Now, yan ang tama, okay? Dati, kaya hindi ko nakuha yung foam is because ang ginagamit ko spoon. However, sabi na effective naman daw yung spoon, pero it will take longer time. That's why this time, I'm using a wire whisk, okay? At mano-mano ko siyang i-whisk at girl, mas mabilis siya kaysa sa spoon at yung fork na ginamit ko dati. Oh my gosh. So, let's start whisking. Sabi nila, kailangan naka-tilt. Diba pag gumagawa ng whipped cream ang chef, diba? Ang baker, talaga naka-tilt. Kasi there's something about tilting. I think there's more air, ganon. Keep on mixing, be patient until you get the right consistency. Pero guys, I swear, mas mabilis to kaysa dun sa una. Mapapansin nyo, unti-unti naging lighter and thicker yung consistency until it becomes a whipped cream talaga. Gusto natin ma-achieve yung tamang coffee with pag may tiyaga, may nilaga, ang mga besh, nag-ilaban mo lang yan. So, simula lang maghirap at masakit, pero worth it lahat, mga besh. Kaya ilaban mo lang yan. Tignan mo, it's being lighter and lighter. See? So, ilaban mo lang yan. Di pa yun yung tamang consistency. Pero nagiging thicker na siya, loko. Nagiging thicker na yung consistency. Kakapagod, besh. Sabi naman sa ganito, sinasaktan niya ako. Ito talaga advantage ng malaking tiyan. May rest ang bowl. Tandaan, dapat naka-tilt. Sabi nila, it will take you 10 minutes. Mine took less than 10 minutes. Probably like 5 minutes before I get the right consistency. Tignan mo, it's getting there. Look. Okay, see, this is the importance of, using the right tools sa paggawa ng mga kung ano-ano. Diba? Look at it. Right tools, right ingredients will lead you to the right, product or right output. output. Right? Quality pala. So as you can see, ayun na po. This is what we want. This is the color that we want, and this is the consistency that we want. As you can see, kaloka. This is my foundation, okay, on the shade natural brown, natural beige. See? Oh, this is how you make a liquid foundation. Ganon. Yeah. There you go. I'm so proud of myself kasi, guys, third attempt ko na to at tama. Tama lahat. Tama. It's you know, it's happening. It's happening, guys. Next thing you do once you're happy with the consistency is to add ice. Kahit anong ice. Tapos ito transfer natin sa ating glass. I'm gonna put ice halfway lang ng glass. Or maybe 3/4. You know. John, make up your mind. Okay, and then I'm gonna fill it up with milk. So what I'm using is, okay, almond milk para less guilty. There you go. Mga ganyan level. Actually more. Tapos, you're gonna top it with the coffee whipped cream. Ayan, i-top na natin mga besh. Simitin natin siya. And then, pour it over. Yes! That's what you want, girl. Oh. Diba? Yes. You want height? Height. And there you go. There's your Dalgona coffee. Of course, I'm gonna taste test. I'm gonna use metal straw because we're one with nature. There you go. So let's try it. I am so proud, like super proud of myself. Like seriously. Woo. Yan. Wow, I'm gonna mix it. Ang pinakamasakit dito, guys, 'di ba? Nakakaloka. Nag-effort ka gumawa ng coffee, tapos imimix mo din sa milk. E di sana hindi ka na lang gumawa ng coffee whip, 'di ba? But regardless, oh my gosh, ang sarap. Mix pa natin. But anyways, I love it. I'm enjoying this. Ang sarap, guys. Alright, there you go, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna enjoy this coffee. Now you know bakit di natin nagawa na tama dating ating Dalgona coffee. Ito po, nung talagang observation ko and aking conclusion. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Okay, itry nyo. Comment below kung nag-work for you guys. And let me know kung hindi. Why? So we can learn more and you can comment below kung anong tips nyo pa. But this is the third attempt kasi ginawa ko yung same procedure and using the same tools. It worked and I'm very sure it's gonna work for you guys as well. Patience na lang sa kaka-whisk. Whisk? Yeah, whisk. So yeah, thank you guys and I'll see you guys on the next COVID episode number 5. Ang gagawin natin sa episode 5 ay, okay, milk iced tea. So abangan kung paano gagawin yon. Bongga!